I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring WhatsApp is updated and your phone is charged. This prevents interruptions. Next, unlock the locked chat with your Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN so messages are accessible for export. Once done, open Settings right arrow chat backup. You want to choose Google Drive or iCloud depending on platform. This creates a container for the locked chat data. Make sure Wi-Fi is active to avoid cellular charges. Doing these steps prepares WhatsApp to include locked chats in the export. Now you perform the core export. Open the unlocked conversation, tap the three dots or contact name, and pick More right arrow export chat. You must decide Include media if you need photos and videos. Be aware of larger file sizes and longer upload times. Then select the cloud destination, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, for the exported zip or TXT backup. Make sure the export completes. If it stalls, cancel and retry with smaller media selection to reduce upload burden. Finish by checking the cloud folder for the exported chat zip or TXT. Confirm timestamp and file size so you know it completed. Once verified, you can optionally create a local backup. Settings right arrow chat backup, right arrow backup to device for quick restore. If the file is missing or corrupted, retry export without media or split heavy media into separate exports. This resolves most failures. Finally, keep at least one secondary copy to avoid single point loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.